Yo, what is up, guys? It is Gingy. Today I have a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be telling you guys how to fix your Modern Warfare 2 on PC if it's stuttering, flashing, just overall giving you a bad experience, because obviously they don't know how to optimize their game properly. So, what you're going to want to do, well, let me switch to the right thing here. There we go. Okay. So, right click down here. I'm on Windows 10. I don't know how it works on Windows 11. But open Task Manager. Go to Performance. Go to CPU. And over right here, it'll say Logical Processors in the bottom right. And you want to take that number. So memorize that number. For me, it's 12. For you, it might be something else. I don't know. But for me, it is 12. So you want to memorize that number. Go to your documents. Go to, where is it? Right here. Yeah, documents. Sorry, my brain does not work. All right, documents. You want to go to this Call of Duty folder right here. Go to players. Find the, which one is it? Options.3.cod22. This one right here. You're going to want to, it'll come up with a little page that says how do you want to open this. Basically, you want to hit more options and you want to hit Notepad. Once you have it open in Notepad, you're going to scroll all the way down. Let's see here. Where is it? Find where it says thread count for handling. It should be like the second to last thing. Thread count for handling the job queue. This number right here that's in quotations, you're going to want to take that number that you memorized and put it in here. What that does is basically the program itself, this is always set to either 2 or 4. It doesn't matter. It's either set to 2 or 4. And that means it's only using 2 to 4 threads out of your entire CPU when you have all those other threads you can be using. And that sucks. That just shows that they didn't optimize the game. They didn't find a way to scan your hardware and change that number. But you can actually change it manually yourself, like I just showed you. So change it to that number. You just want to X out and hit save. When you do that, you open Call of Duty again, and then it'll run better. Once you're in the game, it'll take a second for me to load up here. This is on my hard drive. I should have put it on my SSD, but whatever. It's going to take a second to load up. Once you have it loaded up, go into the graphics settings. One second. Okay, I don't care about your loading screens. Of course, it's taking forever to load. Okay, cool. So you're going to want to go over here to your settings. Go to graphics. Make sure this is on full screen exclusive. This will basically make Windows prioritize this program specifically for performance. You want to make sure your screen refresh rate is as high as it'll go, and you want to set this to your native resolution, so whatever your screen can handle, which I have a 1080p screen, so this is going to be running at 1080p. Then go to quality. Play whatever settings you're trying to play at. I don't know your hardware. If your hardware can handle high settings, it's very hardware based. But take this upscaling and sharpening. If you have an RTX graphics card, use NVIDIA DLSS. Put it to either balanced or quality, and put the sharpness to 100. Or if you don't have an RTX card, whether you have an NVIDIA card, one of the new Intel card things, whatever they call it, or an AMD card, doesn't matter what other card you have. If it's not an RTX card, use Fidelity FX CAS. Go to the Fidelity FX CAS strength and hit 100. And then that should fix your issues. Also, this video memory scale, you're going to want to put that as high as it'll go. That way it can actually use the most out of your graphics card. And then that should fix performance right there. Yeah. Is there anything else? That should be it. I personally use NVIDIA Reflex low latency, but if you have like a low tier card, like you have like a 1650 or 1650 Ti, even if you have a 1660, I wouldn't use this. It can actually damage your performance. Yeah. Also, Fidelity FX will make your video look kind of grainy a little bit, so don't add any film grain. If you want to add film grain and make it look a little more, lifelike, I just did 0.15. I don't like to go over 0.25, just because of how the upscaling works and what it makes the game look like. But yeah, yeah, that should fix it for you. And you should already see, even in the menu, there will be, your FPS will be a little bit higher than normal. And then when you're in the game, you won't experience as much flashing anymore. You won't experience as much stutters. You're still going to experience them because there are other things that the developers didn't optimize correctly. But yeah, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe. And yeah, peace.